Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, May 6th. Well, what do we see here is how the market closed out this week. We had a lot of fundamentals happening on Friday that helped boost the market as we talked about in the advanced video. If you haven't seen these videos before, we're looking at a daily chart. This is a candle format, and the difference here is if you see a red line, that implies selling, a green line implies buying. A dashed line means that's something that occurred earlier in the week. And at dangramza.com, you can go back over 10 years and look at previous action. What you'd see here with these lines, they move as the market moves. So you can see how they've changed. These are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas that I'd like to share with you. Now on this market, the difference between the sell and buy level there is $800 a contract, just to give you a feel for what that represents. Follow through, that is expected. A big day up on Monday? No, that is not expected. The market needs to catch its breath. I feel the same way about the NASDAQ. The difference between the sell and buy level there is $1,000 a contract. And what are we looking for? Follow through again, but not a big day. Same thing for the Dow. Headed in the right direction. It just doesn't I don't think gonna have the momentum to carry it through in a big way on Monday. Difference between the sell and buy level here is $490 a contract. Now let's move on over to the Russell, the small to mid cap companies. The difference here between the buy and sell level in that market, $550 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day here also. Not a big day up on Monday. And the euro headed in the right direction. Dollar did get weaker, but I'm not looking for a strong follow through on Monday. In the Swissy, it's in the same boat. Don't look for a big day up on Monday. I don't think the right fundamentals and structure is in place for that to happen. The difference between the sell and buy level there, $300 a contract. Japanese yen, it's firming up, but boy, it's not out of the cheap situation, I guess is the way to say it here. This is very cheap yen. I look for a sideways move on Monday. The bias, though, is for a stronger yen over the week. Aussie dollar, big move, but not a lot of confidence. I don't look for a big move in that market either. The difference between this sell here, this buy level, to that sell level is $1,000 a contract, and from the sell level to this buy level, that's $200 a contract. So interesting setup there. British pound, look for a sideways move here on Monday. I'm not looking for a big day up there either. Feel the same way about the Canadian dollar. A step in the right direction, but they just couldn't hold on to it. The difference between the sell and buy level here, $150 a contract. Well, the Bitcoin, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market was $2,400 a contract. And what are we looking for? Follow through, yes, and this could be a big day on Monday. So keep your eye on that market. 10-year notes, look for an inside day on Monday. Same thing for 30-year bonds. The yields did back off. The prices did firm up, but look for an inside day on Monday, a rest day. The difference here between the buy and sell level is $187. Excuse me. $187.50. Now gold, it just doesn't have a reason to take off right now. If that's the issue, the fundamentals aren't there. The difference between the sell and buy level, $800 a contract. Silver's in the same boat like gold. They want to go higher. I just don't see the paper or the volume behind it. When it comes to copper, this is a market that we could look for higher moves. This overall is a very neutral structure for that market. The difference here between the buy and sell level here, excuse me, That difference is $2,750 a contract. Now, between this sell level and that buy level, that's $1,250 a contract. Fundamentally, it wants to go higher, but I'm just not sure the volume's there to support it. Well, in other words, activity from the buy side. On the crude oil market, what we're looking at here between the sell and buy level, $190 a contract. It's a market that there's so much potential for a move to the upside geopolitically. We're just not seeing it happen in that market. Nat gas, weather changes, and we're seeing a tightening of supply. Look for follow through on Monday. Same thing with beans. The ags, watch South America for this market. We're seeing firmness, but can it follow through? The difference between the sell and buy level in that market is $300 a contract. Over here in corn, this difference here is $150 a contract. Not a good sign for continuation. Look for an inside to lower day on Monday. Wheat, the difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $3,000 a contract, but watch the weather in Russia, Ukraine, Brazil, South America. It's going to be important, but excuse me, the plains in the United States, Canada, Australia, we have kind of a mixture of what's going on with this market. So the potential for going higher is pretty strong, but look for an inside day on Monday. And those are my thoughts for today. Hope you found something helpful. Have a terrific weekend, and we'll be with you again this coming Monday. In the meantime, take care.